Hey gang, how's it going? Because I've made like 3 videos today, I guess I'm changing up the hellos every time. Still waiting for that yellow to set up over there. Oh dear. So yeah, so today last night, well it was like 6 o'clock this morning when I couldn't sleep, I downloaded and installed some live streaming software. Oh, no lime spider. What? No. Yeah, so hopefully we'll be able to do some live streaming soon. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna just pull you out of the way here for a minute. Yeah, which I've been wanting to do for quite some time, but wasn't entirely sure how to do it. So, alright, let's give this a whiz. I don't know. I'm just going to dump the rest of that in there. There's be another one I have to buy. Now this will go gross. It's already going gross. Greens, purples and yellows are the 3 colours you can be almost guaranteed are going to do the most revolting things you've ever seen. Like purple will go grey, green will go brown and yellow will go orange. But they usually come back, so. Greens have I got left? Shit. Oh no, that's alright. I just have to make my minty soap next and it has to be green. Mint. Why would it not be green? It's annoying, I can't leave it there. My house is a mess, but I can't keep the soap bench dirty. It's so weird. Although, no, my house is not dirty, it's a mess. It's a crafter's house. There's just, things were left where they were last crafted. Although I did clean up this morning, so. Although my desk leaves a lot to be desired at the moment, because I'm working on about 10 different things. So. I just have all these things that I want to do, and then I made a little foam board room last night, not last night, night before, and I made a coffee stirrer timber floor, which won't make any sense to anyone who doesn't do miniatures. And the foam board has lifted up in the corner, so I'm just trying to get the floor flat again. This is too thin too. Oh, while that's doing that, which is nothing, let's go over here to the yellow because it looks like it's set up too much. Yep. This is what's happening to this top, but this is what was happening to this top all along. So, but there's only just the very surface of this soap now to do this to, because it's hard as a rock in the middle. Alright, so, ooh, and hot. She's a hot. I'm going to have to go take photos of this now while she's wet, because soap porn needs to be wet. Needs to be moist. So I'm just going to leave that sit there momentarily, and I'll be back. Oh, look, I don't like that. There. That spoon. Spoons, mate. I just need more spoons. Photography done. And that's still not very thick anyway. So that's great. This is funny, this soap, when it goes off, it goes like super quick. But then it doesn't thicken real quick in here. It's a funny recipe, this one, actually. I'm going to give it more whizzings. More whizzings. Ready for ready. Oh my god, I don't know if there's things biting me or if I'm just imagining shit now. Which, either one is likely. Probably the latter. I do actually get that tingly sensation in my legs that things are crawling on me and biting me. That's a fairly common thing with me. So I have scoliosis and sciatica, so this is just not an uncommon thing to happen. It's gross because you don't ever know if it's something actually crawling on you or if you're just imagining it, and that's kind of creepy. Alright, so just to show you, have a look at this. So you can see how the sides are still a little bit wet, but the middle has gone matte. That's because it's actually gelling in the middle already. You can see the difference in colour, and especially those two, and this one here. That's the actual gel happening. So, and that is because it's got a lot of rice bran in it. So it's just kicking off with a bang. And that's perfectly fine. Oh, this is the perfect. This is great. Oh, love it. Yes. Oops. Yeah, perfect. Perfect trace. That's the word I was looking for and couldn't remember, so I kept saying perfect. So perfect it is. Oh dear. Very good. Did I turn this on? Yes, I did. Oh, I was going to say, this made a really long video, but it wasn't because I went off and photoed and stuff. Okay, that's actually not as thick as I thought. Alright, so we've done bounce everywhere. No, I don't like it. I wonder if it'd work better with the wall spoon. I have this vision in my head of a technique I want to do. No, it's not going to work. It is not going to work at all. So we'll have to get rid of that one. It's just not thick enough to do anything with. I was having the same issue again. I tell you what, the woman who does this, the woman, I was only because I can't remember a freaking name, even though, you know, I'm a massive fan of her soap tops. She does this awesome spoon technique, which she's made a video of and makes it look like it's so easy, and it's freaking not. But it's this, you take your spoon and you roll it across your soap like this. And it looks glorious when she does it. When I do it, it just looks like shit. No. So, I don't know. This is really annoying. This will be the longest video because I just don't know. So the big side like this, and the little side like this. Whoops. There we go. I do like doing this. This is a nice one, but let's make this one a bit deeper, I think. But then we go back like that. That'll do. That will do. might wait until it's just a little bit more set up, and then just texture that just a little bit more, because I'm just not happy with that. I'd like it to be a little bit deeper. I think it will look a bit nicer. Alright guys, I'll see you for the cutting and the proper texture top. Bye. Oh look, I told you the colour would come back, didn't I? Look at this colour. It's so pretty. I'm just so happy. Oh, I can't believe I'm this happy over plain coloured soaps. It kind of messes with my head a little that I'm just enjoying plain coloured soap so much, because I just, you know me, I love drop swirls and such. So to be enjoying these plain coloured soaps as much as I am is, yeah, kind of mind blowing. But alright. Oh, she's a tough one. Come on. Come on. It's like cutting through melting pour almost. It's freaking hard. Oh, it's such a nice colour, guys. Look at that minty, fresh colour. The camera's really not picking up how lovely that is. But I mean, look at it with that. Oh, yes. I'm in love. Very nice, very nice. It's also been really nice. This also has some of these markings like the yellow one had. But yeah, it's also been nice just making these little quick videos too, you know. The thing is, because after I did all of these 4 coloured soaps, I went and made a more involved soap, and I really enjoyed that too. So so apparently I just enjoy soap making, period. It doesn't matter what it is. Which sounds right. Definitely sounds right. I'm going to have a go with that soap stamp on one of those ends. Well, the yellow end, one of them was... That yellow end is fairly thick. So, because someone did suggest stamping on fresh soap, so I might give that a whirl and see how that goes. I know, not holding my breath though, that's for sure, but you never know. Positive, got to be positive today. It's all about the positivity. Oh, did you want me to show you that that's a green soap? That looked like all the other green soaps? No you did not. Alright. Okie dokie. Well, I'm going to turn this one off, and then I will bring you back for the stamp, but I'll include that probably with the yellow soap maybe. If it's successful. If it's not, then you probably never see it. And then you'll see this and go, oh, I haven't seen that, and then you'll know why. Alright guys, bye.